Hello, we are back with a lot of Amy shirts, more Amy shirts. So this is our latest pattern. We are obsessed with it and thank you for receiving it so well. We're very, very, very happy about that. And so we thought we'd go into a little bit more detail about some versions that we've made. You've obviously seen all the product pictures and stuff, but we have been making some to kind of personalise to our style, I would say, with the choices we've made. And so we're here to talk about that today. We're going to start with the classic Ralph Lauren looking model over there. Jemima, so tell us a bit about the fabric and which versions and everything.
Come a bit closer. So this is, I think it's cotton twill, but which sounds heavy, but it's actually really, really light, and it's actually a little bit sheer. I don't know if you can see that, which I think makes it really nice to wear as an sort of over shirt. It's got these little swallows on it. How cute. And I made version 1, so it's got the straight collar and then it's got the pleats at the back, and it is a straight size 8 with no alterations whatsoever. But what I did do, if you remember my New Year's resolution, everybody, was to sew things with lots of love and care.
Oh yeah.
So it's all French themed, including the shoulders.
Wow. Okay, that's next level.
Yeah, around the shoulders it's French themed, and a lot of hand sewing as well. So any opportunity that there was to hand sew, I decided to hand sew. So I felt like we all started at the same time, and then I was doing it for days longer. So it took longer, but it's a lot of love, and particularly because I planned to wear it open, so I thought you might see those.
You want
seams.
to
So it might not be, it might be noticed. Maybe no.
We'll notice now. Now you told us.
That's amazing.
I just love it. This is the shirt that I've always dreamed of. I bought this fabric ages ago with a shirt in mind before I even knew about Amy, and it's just been waiting.
Wow.
That's so nice.
That's fantastic.
Destiny.
I love it.
One thing I can see very well on yours, if you turn to camera, is the hem, because the hem is beautiful. It's sort of curved, and it's just because you're wearing it more like a jacket. It really
I like
shines.
how long it is, because it's nice as well. Actually, it's really nice having long to tuck in. It gives you like loads of tucking in. Doesn't pop out. But also, I like that it sort of covers your bum.
Yes, it does.
For the sort of shackety. It's not really a shacket, but it can be if you do it in a certain fabric.
That's
beautiful.
I love
it. I'm going to make loads.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rosie.
Very well. What a great design.
I feel like we need to move on. This is what everyone's waiting for.
We're all here for this particular Amy shirt. Come on.
I think this shirt has lived in my head for a long, long time. I think I mentioned it might have been in a previous Team Makes about cat fabric and looking for cat fabric. And I love a cat fabric, but I'm not one to wear like super loud, obvious, massive cat face on my clothes. And then someone commented,
subtle, sure.
Yeah, subtle, just like the shirt, right? Someone commented on that video saying, have a look at Minerva, they've got some cat viscose in.
And were they right?
Thank you, because this is just like a dream fabric.
And enter the fabric.
Because, I mean, there's cats all over it, but I feel like if I go away from you, it's just like a black shirt with some paw print on, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's very subtle.
Yeah.
So, first stop was like dream cat fabric, dream cat shirt. Yes.
And it's viscose, right?
It's viscose, it's lovely and soft.
Nice.
It's one of their exclusive prints, I think, and I have to say it's really, really nice. Lovely to work with. But then, so this is version 2 with scalloped collar.
Yes.
And I thought, okay, it's black, the collar's going to be completely lost.
Yeah.
So why don't I pipe it? And of course you can't just pipe one thing, so I was like, okay, I'll pipe a few more things. So I got piping down the front, I got piping on the yoke seam here, which I really like because you can see that seam on the back.
Yeah, I've just realised that there's the back one as well.
Yeah, I really like
that
one. The back one's
also,
really
can you stay to the back? Sorry, because the scallop edge really shows on the back with the piping. It's beautiful.
And then around, rolled up sleeves as always, but around the cuff as well. I'm not going to lie, piping the collar. Whew.
Not for the faint-hearted.
Not for the faint-hearted.
I mean, the straight collar probably much more doable, right?
Yeah, straight collar, absolutely fine. Scalloped collar, this was my second one, I'll be honest, because the first way I did it didn't work out. And I think because the scallops on Amy are quite subtle, they're not quite as sharp curves, it's almost harder to get the piping to sit in place but still show off the scallop.
Yeah, it needs to be so accurate along the line.
Exactly, yeah, and you haven't got like a sharp corner to squish it into, for
Yes,
want of a
I've
better
seen
word.
that.
It's just got to be like, oh, so subtle, and you know, yes, it was
But
a labour of love. and
maybe sorry.
no, it's fine. Yeah, it was totally worth it.
Yeah.
I hand sewed
Oh.
this entire colour.
So that's the trick.
For me, that was the trick. I couldn't get it as nice as I wanted it on the machine.
Fair.
And when it's under the machine, even though I'd tacked it, things shift a little bit.
Yeah.
And when you're like trying to go up right against piping, it caused some heartache.
Oh, bless you! But look at it.
Look at the
Come
result.
on, it's incredible.
But you had the vision.
You
You
did.
persisted.
Thank
You
you.
spent the time, and now
Look
you've
at
got
the shirt.
you've got the glory.
I know,
Yes.
and I feel like it's almost like if you had like a traumatic event and your brain blocks it out, so you just carry on.
Like you've given birth to
Yeah,
that
exactly.
shirt.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
And I'm like, do you know what? All of the drama's gone because I love my shirt so much.
Exactly.
Yeah, give her a few months. She's going to make another one.
I know, I will.
Yes, you.
But I'm gonna say that the curved piping was quite tricky, but
Yeah.
for straight seams that you
piping.
want to pipe,
Oh my
we actually have a
goodness.
class on Stitch Go,
Yeah.
and it's not traumatic. So
No, it's
if you
not.
just want to do the yolks and a straight colour,
Absolutely not.
and it's the curve
I'm loving
combination.
the piping down there.
Yeah.
That's
That's
such a
gorgeous.
statement, isn't it?
And can we talk about the buttons?
Oh yes!
I
How
was
they match?
obviously going to do black cut buttons, and then I was talking to you actually and saying, oh, can I use some of these buttons that are in the office? And you said, yeah, but look in that box, that's where the
I've
good
got a
ones
secret
are.
good stuff.
What?
And I looked in the secret stash and found these ones. They're little hearts, and they match the cat's eyes perfectly.
Right,
So
they're
that-
amazing.
and I was going to do boring black ones.
Imagine.
I know,
What
I
a
mean,
different shirt. Such a boring shirt if you
Yeah.
haven't put those buttons
Yeah.
in. I mean, this has so much going for it. It's
Yeah,
incredible.
but really, really pleased. I did my usual, which is basically a size 18 with an FBA. I didn't actually grade in the shoulders at all this time, I think, for this particular style.
It's not.
It's not, it's not a fitted thing. It's
Yeah.
so, I left them as is, and I'm really pleased with the fit.
Beautiful fit.
And I think it is one of the few patterns that I will wear not tucked
I
in,
agree. I'm enjoying it.
which is a big
How do you
deal.
feel about this?
Listen, we took some pictures of this one I'm wearing with it not tucked in, and I do like it, but it feels like it's a different person. I just cannot.
I know, but it looks
can't
so
see myself.
cool. I
It looks
love it.
cool, but in a
Yeah.
different. I just feel like that's not me.
But it's just it's not you, but it's just a totally different style, isn't
Yeah.
it? And it's
It is.
yeah.
It feels different, but I felt like it's
So
got
good.
such a nice shape to
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
That it's loose, but it's the curved side seams.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then the curve at the bottom.
The curve at the bottom,
yeah.
exactly. It shows off this curve nicely. And
What did you do with the pocket? Sorry, did you do
Oh, the pocket is
version 2,
on.
right?
I did put the pocket on, but I didn't want to pipe it because I thought it might go into pyjamas territory.
Piping
So I was
is,
sort of like,
yeah.
It's a
"Ooh."
fine line.
But it does mean that it does disappear.
Lovely.
But I think that only enforces my decision to pipe the collar
Yes.
Yeah.
to show it off
Yeah.
because it would have disappeared like this.
True.
So I'm happy with that. It's fine.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
It's
lovely.
fine. I can still pop things in it if I want to.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been worn to death already,
Oh,
and I love
that's
it.
so good.
And I think that's all I have to say about it.
Yeah. Fabulous.
So moving on to this
Moving on.
gorgeous wonder.
So I've wanted like a linen shirt for like this summer for quite a while, and so when this pattern came out, I took the opportunity. Obviously, I went green. I don't.
Obviously.
Obviously, I don't really know why I did that, but
I
I
love
just
this
just
colour
love
in you.
green. But this actually isn't a linen; it's a rami
Oh, yeah.
or rami. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it has all the same sort of properties and feel of linen, but it's made out of like nettles instead of flax.
Amazing.
So
Love that.
still
Real
good
nice.
for the environment, kind of. I think.
Yeah.
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 I'll take that.
It really
Um,
looks like linen.
Yeah,
Yes, it does.
it really looks like linen, and it is also quite sheer and
Yeah.
light. I'm thinking for the summer.
Beautiful.
And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So I've made version 1 with the straight collar, the straight cuffs. I left off the pocket because I wanted it quite plain, because I decided to customise my
Isn't it amazing?
So beautiful.
my collar here.
It's stunning.
You can see that. So you might recognise the design because it's actually from one of our fabric designs. Felicity.
Felicity, yeah.
Felicity. So it's the roses design. And yeah, it's hand embroidered onto my collar.
Amazing. And if you'd like to learn to do this exact thing, Chloe has done a whole masterclass, right?
Yes.
Intro to embroidery, which we are all obsessed with. I need to really learn. So my shirt is also embroidered, not by me, by Chloe as well. So I've got a different favourite fabric theme.
Which I couldn't find the name.
Autumn leaves. That's it. I'll just show you a little bit. And also on, where's it gone? There, on the little pen pocket as well. I made this shirt and picked these buttons, which are, I think, pigeon wishes.
Yeah.
And I showed the buttons to Chloe. I was like, maybe, like, can you do colours from the buttons into the embroidery? And she did exactly that.
Yeah, we did it that way around.
That's amazing. But yeah, the class, tell us a little bit more about the class. How does it work?
So in the class, I will take you through how to embroider and customise basically sort of anything you want. So in the actual class, I think the examples I've used is a piece of the collar from the Amy shirt, but also like a pocket piece. Also, I've done our hobby bag.
That's my favourite.
So,
oh my goodness.
So on like thicker fabrics, I mean, you might remember I did embroidery on my jeans. That's sort of where it started from, the back pockets of my jeans as well. And so in the class, I'll take you through sort of where you might choose to put your embroidery, how you might get your embroidery sort of transferred onto your fabric to begin. We've also got 3 different options that we give you. So the Felicity roses, the autumn leaves, is it?
Autumn leaves,
and elderflower press.
So you can an old classic.
So you can download and do it.
Yeah, so you can get a template. So that means you don't have to go searching for something. Just if you wanted to try it out first. And then I'll teach you, I think there's about 5 different stitches that you can use, and I'll show you how to do those. Then you can just you're off.
You're right.
It
is designed for someone like I can take it. I've never tried to embroider.
It's like for sewists that have never embroidered.
Yeah. So for beginning intro to embroidery, but then once you've done that, you can just embroider whatever you'd like.
Yeah,
really.
you can totally run with all those skills. And I think what you're showing it as well is like it may be these however many stitches that are in there, but you put them all together and then like the world's your oyster. That's the joy. It's not like, oh, make this and you can make this. It's like, no, I'll teach you this and you can do anything.
I love that.
So those stitches, they tend to be like the main ones used in a lot of dye. You'll start noticing them, and once you've learnt those, you can. You're away.
Honestly, like I was helping to film it, and my mind was just going nuts. Like, I can do this. I can do this. I was like, off. It's amazing how it inspires.
But it's so simple, and it's really nice and relaxing. It's something to be able to do if you've got time to sit down and do it. You can do it for yourself to make it like really personal. But also like to embroider onto like a gift.
I love
that. Do your
personalisation.
I love to sew bags for people.
Yes,
to add a little detail like that. The monogram and bags with the initials. Or like actually Amy, really posh.
That is quite a thing, isn't it? Yeah, or on the top of the pocket.
Yeah, like I'm a rich lady. I could do that. I could
monogramming is very simple and really quick to do. It wouldn't take up too much time. So
cool. Yeah. So I love it. I'm very excited, and I will wear this Amy shirt with such pride. But this is this is the only sample actually present today. But when I decided to make it, this is a chambray, I think. So it's a little bit, probably similar
way.
thickness to yours. No, yours is softer actually.
Just looks so crisp.
It looks so crisp, and that's what I want. Shirt. With a capital S. It just does what shirts need to do, and I really love it. And obviously, I love it tucked in like this. But as we said, I'll put pictures up. Yes, it looks nice out as well. But I think I've made one that's in a patterned fabric, and I will make many more that are in patterned fabrics, but I really wanted one kind of simple, one colour, classic. But of course, I can't just make a white shirt. Like, I'm not just going to do something with nothing, so hence the button.
That's not ridiculous.
And that'd be ridiculous. But you feel like I could buy a white shirt. Like,
that's the thing when you're making something, it needs to be has a little bit of your
of your je ne sais quoi.
Yeah.
And hence the buttons. I really wanted buttons that stood out, and hence, luckily, having a colleague that knows how to embroider, like, please make this pretty. But also, I think, because we talked about it when making the samples, we were like, it'll be fun to have the pretty embroidery on the more straight, sharp version, which is more androgynous, and I love that combo.
Yeah.
Love that. Really, really pretty. But yeah, you could go uber feminine with the scalloped version with all the curls and just the embroidery. And could embroider alongside.
Well, that's what I was thinking instead of piping.
Oh.
Even like a blanket stitch or something. Is that the one that wraps around the edge?
Yes.
I still don't know. I need to watch it.
Along the edge of the scallops would have been a much simpler way to do it.
Then you highlight in the shape.
Highlight the shape, yeah.
And you could have all done it around the cuffs. And,
Actually, little embroidery around the.
And I'm thinking like bright colours, but you're probably not thinking that,
I'm thinking plain white shirt.
Okay.
Maybe with navy around the collar.
Nice.
Exactly.
Lovely.
We're over here in this camp.
Listen, you're the one wearing cats, so I'm not having that. Cats and piping and sparkly buttons. I'm not having that. You're not in that
I've not
camp
got a
anymore.
leg to stand on.
No, sorry. If anything, I'm much more sober right now today.
I know,
That's
what's this
fun.
role reversal here?
I love it. But anyway, hopefully you can tell how many ways there are to customise your Amy shirt.
Different styles, different ways of wearing it,
Different
making
fabrics,
it your own.
making it completely your own. We'd love to know if you've got plans to make to do something fun with your Amy shirt. But hopefully it's the perfect starting point.
Yes, absolutely, because there's just so many different ways you can go.
Yeah, honestly, when you were looking at inspo pictures on Pinterest and like all the ideas in our heads were
Just
like, so
too much, there's not
almost
enough
too much.
time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like you were saying about the embroidery classes, like I could do this, I could do this, I could do this, I could do that.
Yeah.
So much. But it's exciting. It's a good place to be, I think.
It's a good place to be, I think, if you're lacking a bit of sojo. I think it
Yes.
can really pick you up out of that, because it's a kind of a meaty project, but it's not like a coat, it's not enormous, it's not really bogged down in it, and it's just like some nice techniques, but also you can really get inspired to take it any way that you want to take it.
So true.
And everyone's probably got a bit of a woven fabric in their stash, a couple of meters.
It's not loads of fabric.
Exactly
Not
that.
too fabric heavy,
Doesn't need
that's
loads of
very true.
toiling, nothing like that. You could just have it.
Yeah.
That's so
Quick,
true.
Yeah, get the result quickly.
Yes, just start.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, let us know what your Amy plans are, and we'll be back soon with something very exciting that I can't remember right now, but I'm sure it will be fabulous. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.